Let's continue with the registration of our WordPress website with Microsoft Entra ID. And this time we need to configure an application client secret for our registered application. And with this secret, WPO365 can request to exchange basically the initial authorization code for an ID token or for an access token. So to create this secret, we go to Certificates and Secrets. To create a new client secret, we simply click the corresponding button. This will open a new panel, and here we can add a new client secret. We need to enter a description, but we can also leave it empty, and there will be a default description added by Microsoft. And we need to say how long this secret shall be valid for. The default is 180 days, so basically half a year. And for this moment, we can leave it like this, and we can simply click Add to create a new client secret. Now that we have our new client secret, we have to be very careful. We have an ID and we have a value. We are not interested in the secret ID, but we are interested in the secret value. So we click to copy that value to a clipboard, and we paste it temporarily in the system's notepad, for instance. So we have created a new client secret. So basically we are ready with this step. There is one thing that is important to note, however. The secret that we created will expire after half a year. And once a secret is expired, it cannot be used anymore. And the plugin WPO365 will fail to retrieve ID and access tokens. And therefore you must renew this secret right before it expires, and you must update the plugin's configuration accordingly. WPO365 can remind you when one of your secrets is about to expire. You can go to our website, scroll all the way to the bottom to see an overview of all the articles, and here you'll find an article on the client secret expiration notification. This article basically will tell you what you need to do to configure WPO365 to help you remind you when a secret is about to expire. And basically it's very simple. You just need to add an extra permission for WPO365 to read all applications and all the details of the applications that you've registered in Azure AD. And then you're already good to go. The only thing that you also need to take into account is that you need to ensure that WP cron is triggered regularly. You can read all about it in this last paragraph in the article. What I will do for this video is that I will quickly show you how you can add this extra permission. So I will return to Microsoft's Entra portal, and here I will click to add a permission. I will add a Microsoft Graph permission, an application permission, and I will scroll down to the application permissions, and I will select application read all. I will click to add a permission, and once I've done that, you can see that I need to grant admin consent. So I will click grant admin consent for my tenant, and I confirm that. And once I've done that, then basically this permission can be used by the plugin. So now I don't need to configure anything else, because WPO365 will always try and check whether any of the client secrets is about to expire. It's more the other way around. You can go to your website. You should then go to the WPO365 configuration pages, and here on the miscellaneous configuration page, you can see that there is an option to skip the check for basically for the secret expiration. So you can check this box and save the configuration. If you do that, WPO365 won't check on a daily basis whether one of these secrets is about to expire.